And still in St. Elizabeth, concern from livestock owners that their animals are being picked up by men claiming to work with the animal pound in the parish. However, when they visit the facility to recover their cattle, there's no one there. Shamala Pullen has the details.
Scammed or not, livestock farmers in St. Elizabeth have been left bewildered following a series of events in sections of the parish. The most recent incident happened last Sunday in Newtown, Black River. The farmers say a truck was driving around the community picking up animals.
I lose one goat, and before that I lose 4 goats.
We don't want my 2 goats. Just as you hear everyone else one say, and the same last is the point.
Patricia Brown says her goat was also taken on Sunday. When she called the number on the truck, she says she was told to collect the animal at a pound in Myersville.
There was no animal there yesterday. I look all over the pond, there was no animal, and there was no one there to be found. And when you call them, then if they turn off the phone and you tell them, then turn on the phone and you tell them where you come from, but you have to make a second call, the phone turn off.
The farmers say this has been happening from last year. When the municipal corporation was contacted, the people were advised that it's no longer responsible for the pound, which is now privately run.
The company number that I get, it's Mitchell Security Corporation, 92 Main Street, Seafort.
They say they work with the pound, and imagine how you to work with the pound. People from St. Thomas, not St. Elizabeth people, operating the pound.
If they detect 2 or 3 of my goat yesterday or Sunday, me would go. Me don't tell no lie, cause me can't bother with the up and down. So this is what happening, because people, when they take the people them goat now, people no bother go up there because they must say, oh God, me go pay $8,000 and this and that. Make it just go on. You see what I say? And that happened. They never know so they would have come. One back then goat. And that's why they sell the goat is sitting them ahead of time.
The cattle farmers are fed up and are now asking for Agriculture Minister Pernell Charles Jr. to intervene.
If you raise 2 little goat and the people just come pick it up and go sell it and make money, it doesn't make no sense you do it then. And if you thief, them will lock you up in us and charge you, you don't want that. So I want the minister to do something about this and look into the situation, because right now I decide to stop raise goat. Because he see pen around them, I feel like now 3 days now and I feed them, cut bush, give them and give them feed and them something.
When contacted, the Agriculture Minister, Pernell Charles Jr., told us the matter is being investigated. Shamala Pullen, TVJ News.
Meanwhile, TVJ News visited the Myersville Pound in St. Elizabeth, which appeared to be deserted. We called the number advertised on the wall, but we were referred to another number. In response to our queries about the operations and the status of the animals which were picked up on the weekend, we were promised a call back. Up to news time, no one called, and further calls to the number went unanswered.